So in NMKR Studio, what you can do right now is you can click on this button, create edit collection token. You can click on this, and then you can say, okay, first of all, you can set the royalties here. That's what already has been happening in the past, right? Nothing new. But then there's this new tab at the top, and there you can click and create your identity token. And to create the identity token, you are basically redirected to an external provider from IMX. So if I click on this website right now, I get redirected to this website from IMX. And here I can create my NFT identity. So what this means is essentially I can go to this website, I can see all these accounts. I already connected my NMKR account, but I could also go ahead and maybe connect a completely different account. So if I go to this, I'm asked to log into my LinkedIn account. And then if I log in, I basically do like this little sign in with LinkedIn button, authenticate this with LinkedIn, and then I connect my LinkedIn directly to this IMX website. And this is all done basically, on the website itself, and it's not stored by IMX or anything like that. But instead, what IMX does is they create the decentralized identifier. So they basically create a large document, large file, which they store on chain, on IPFS, sorry. And then they send this file over back to NMKR Studio. So if I were to click on create here, it basically redirects me to NMKR Studio. Here you can see NMKR Studio is already waiting for confirmation. I'm not gonna do this right now, but in theory, this would take a few minutes, then it would change to something green. And then it would say, okay, this identity is now connected to NMKR Studio, and you can now click on mint token. And if you click on mint token, it basically stores that on the chain. And that's it. All takes less than 5 minutes. And that's how everyone can easily connect their identity with the NFT collection.